numbers are still unavailable. Your call is important to us. Someone will be with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
I still don't have my CVOR. Unbelievable. I called the CVOR offices and they held me on hold for like an hour. And then they proceeded to hang up. That is unbelievable. They hung up twice actually. You pay big bucks to get these certificates and they don't care. They don't really care for you. That's what it really boils down to. So I just got my bank draft. Thank you, TD. And I made this bank draft for $3,000. And I'm gonna make a deposit for the truck tomorrow, which is probably the next couple scenes in this vlog. Okay, but right now I'm at Best Buy. I'm trying to look for a microphone because the audio is not as great with this GoPro, and what I've been using is my cell phone, and I'm gonna just change the audio to my cell phone right now. So this is my cell phone audio, and what I've been using is my my earpiece over here that's included with the Galaxy S4. And probably the audio is not as great as well, and you know that when I'm walking you can hear all the wind noise, you can hear the jacket and all the sounds in the background. And maybe if I purchase a better microphone, it'll do a better job for these vlogs, and I might get a little bit better quality vlogs for you guys. So I'm gonna go and look for a mic right now and see if I can find one. So to no avail, guys. It seems like Best Buy does not have any mics. I think I'm gonna have to order one online. I think I saw one on Amazon for like $15. And it got a 5-star rating, so Amazon it is. So I'm just arriving at the location where I'm purchasing the truck. They got a lot of trucks here. They have a showroom, and I'm gonna go and maybe test drive this vehicle first as well.
What's about?
It's about the purchase of the Red International.
Oh, Red International. Okay, I can call. No.
Sure, thanks. So that was my first test drive from this truck, guys. And all I could say for this truck is that it is a nice truck, and it runs pretty good. It only has, like I said, 145,000 kilometers, which is around 90,000 miles. And it's ideal, really. You could go more expensive, you can get into more debt, but you have a nicer vehicle, a nicer truck, or you could go more cheaper and buy a crappier truck that is more susceptible to breaking down, etc., and you know, have the potential of losing business. And finding that balance in between, finding that perfect truck was a challenge. But all you got to do is just educate yourself and do a lot of research into what you're buying. Don't just go out there and just say, I like it, it's pretty, and I'm gonna take it. You know, you have to weigh the cons and the pros and the cons, and see what's best for you. You know, how much can you borrow? How much cash do you have up front? All those things you gotta take into consideration, and that's what I did, and hopefully, you know, this truck will serve a long time to come. And at the same time, I have to start saving for the next one, because I know it's not gonna last forever. Okay guys, so that's that guy sitting beside me when I was testing it. His name is Mike, and he works at Toronto Auto Sales and Leasing. Okay, you can find his website, or the company's website, at torontooautosales.com. I'll put all the links on the bottom. Okay, but that guy Mike, excellent guy, and the management team in there, excellent people. I didn't get paid for saying this, just so you guys know. I just truly believe in the word of mouth system. Okay guys, so once again, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be making a ton of videos of this whole process. Okay, and you know, give me a thumbs up on my videos, man, and you know, that will help my channel grow. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned.